Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if you are not up to date, even you have installed Windows latest update and you are receiving a message you are not update, then here are the fixes to resolve this issue. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings. Thereafter from the right side scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run Windows Update Troubleshoot. This is a very important Windows inbuilt tool, troubleshooters. You must run Windows Update Troubleshoot in your system and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether you are still receiving such type of message you are not update. Then go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Check your date and time settings. From the left side, go to time and language. Here from the right side, go to date and time. And first, disable this feature, set time automatically yes, and set time zone automatically, and wait till few seconds and again turn on both the feature. And if in your system, if you find wrong date and time showing, then change date and time settings and set correct date and time set of your system. After that, turn on set time automatically and check whether you are still receiving such type of message. If still receiving, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here under available services, start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service bits. Right click on it and choose start, and if you found already in a start mode, then restart background intelligent transfer service. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and here set a startup type as automatic. Click on a small arrow and from the drop down menu choose automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Scroll down and same process, right click on it, choose the start, and if you found already in a start mode, then restart cryptographic services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section, and from the drop down menu choose automatic and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. In my case, it is in stop mode, so we will choose start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so simply close the window. And the last one is Windows Update Services. Right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart, and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on a small arrow and from the drop down menu choose automatic. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether you are still receiving such type of error message. Then go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD in search field and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute first these three DISM tool one by one as shown on screen. DISM online check health, scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands in command prompt windows followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of this 3DISM tool, execute the command sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. And once completed, don't forget to restart your system. And after that, check whether you are receiving your not up to date message still. Then go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. And if any update available, download and install it in your system. Manually download and install Windows latest update on your system. The one more method is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute some Windows update components as shown on screen. First, execute these 4 commands in command prompt Windows to stop these 4 services. One by one, execute all these 4 commands in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, some other Windows update components. All these Windows update components command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Execute one by one in command prompt Windows all these Windows update components. And after that, start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services. Same process, execute these commands one by one. Don't forget to press enter on each time. And after that, close the windows, restart your system and check whether you are still receiving such type of message you are not updated. Even you updated your system, then go to the one more fixes, restore your system. Right click on start button, choose run, and in run command box type rstrui. This command will open restore system files and settings page. Restore system files and settings. Here click on next and choose a restoration point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point, automatic restore point, and click on next. Finally, confirm your restoration point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the selected event. And finally, click on finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the restore process. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your issue will definitely be resolved. That's all.